Yo! Dude. You okay, man? Oh my god. How did it get squished?
Came down and just...
Holy...
Can I use a washer or something?
Yeah, sure. You wanna come inside? Oh shit, you looped it?
Look at the peg.
Oh shit, you looped it, huh?
What happened?
You looped the bike out. Look at that. The barn's gone, the pedal's scraped.
These are just drops.
Oh, damn. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck, man. God damn.
This guy looped his bike, bro.
Yeah, really?
Wait,
oh,
why are your
shit.
brakes on backwards? Your
Oh.
brakes are on backwards.
What the fuck?
This is supposed to be here, and this is supposed to be here.
What the fuck?
Really?
Wait, is this your front brake or your back brake?
This is his front brake.
What the fuck?
It's not supposed to be on that side?
No.
No,
Put it on
bro.
backwards.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. You want to come up? Oh my god! I can't believe this is my bike, bro. Oh crap. Oh my god! Wait, this thing is so fast. Oh my god! I'm scared. I don't want to go into sport. I don't want to go into sport. I'm chill with eco, bro. This thing's actually like nice, bro. Nice though. Hold on. Check this out. Okay, yeah. Brakes on backwards.
Brakes on.
The throttle feels so ass.
Holy loop,
Yeah,
bro.
look at that, bro. Oh my.
Holy loop.
Is that normal Talaria throttle?
Yeah.
Why does it feel so weird? It's like. Okay. Horn. Oh, wait, I want to try out the horn though. That's kind of important to me, actually. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Okay. Yo, new bike. Oh, I can go. Oh my god, this is mine. Okay. The bike's looking a little rough, man. I'm not gonna lie to you, dude.
Yeah, it like came off the kickstand a few times.
Yeah, look, so you got, the seat's kind of broken right there. It looks a little bit small, but the entire seat's like, what, like $100? Your pegs are super loose, so that entire area right there might be like ovalized.
I just don't want tools.
Yeah, I got you, but like, if it's really loose like this, like the actual mechanism inside, they might get loose over time. There's a lot of damage on the bike. You can see here, looped out here. Holy shit, that's a lot of looped out stuff, man. You got the wires exposed. I saw you're like filming in the rain, Dude, I don't know, man. The condition is a lot worse than the pictures you showed me, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I mean, the pictures, it's been in the garage.
Yeah, I see. Well, I mean...
Never touched that for those videos.
Oh, I gotcha. What percent is that? 100?
That is 100, yeah.
100, okay. So, how long did you say you stored it for?
I don't know, when I get it, September 2024.
So it's been at 100% for a year. Okay, that's not very good for the battery. It's very bad for the battery. Yeah?
It hasn't been 100% for a year. No,
Okay, yeah. Has it been like 0% for a year?
No, it's been like, I don't know, 20, 40, 0.
20, 40, okay. Your brakes seem fine. The brakes are pretty good, I will admit. Okay, everything seems solid though, other than
I
that.
put these on backwards.
Yeah, you 100%.
So I have to switch them?
Yeah, I can do that myself, don't worry, I got you. Okay. 42.50, bro, because I have to spend another 50 to get these handlebars. That's it. Just the handlebars and then it's chill, huh? Yeah, 42.50.
42.75.
Deal.
Yeah.
That's chill.
Where'd you get the money for this? Trade it up?
Yeah, I traded up and then I work a job. Oh, got it a little bit. All right, man, yeah. Okay, so 42.75. Yeah? All right, appreciate you, bro. Yeah, sure.
Oh, these brakes are so good. Yeah, they lock really easily. Should you try popping it in eco? Feel the sport mode. Oh, we're in sport. Yeah. This suspension, like, low-key sucks. Suspension sucks. Okay, okay. Woohoo! This is so sick! Oh my god.
No hands? There's no hand here on the Talaria Triple X. Oh my god. Let's do the front brake. Oh my god, it's like strong as hell. Hold on. Should I try to wheelie this thing already? Oh, okay, no, I'm not. Oh my god, that is way too fast. Holy, yo, I gotta get used to this bike before I do anything stupid like that. I wanna try sport, but I'm kind of scared. It's so fast, holy crap. Okay, I'm trying sport. Sport. Oh my god. Oh my god. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh my god. How back can you go? Back can you go? I can't believe this is eco. I can't believe this is mine, man. Yo, okay, I'm not gonna wheelie. Woohoo! Then just sport again. Oh! Oh my god! Sport is so fast. Dude, this thing is so insane. I don't even feel the need to like get out of eco, man. Eco is so fast.